Hello, I'm Jimmy Neutron.
I'm Carl Wheezer.
And I'm Sheen.
We are going to see the Lego Movie in 3D at AMC theaters.
Derek. How dare you watch Rio 2 instead of Frozen like I said? You were grounded for 9 years.
But Grandma, I already saw Frozen and the Lego Movie. I wanted to see something I haven't seen yet.
I don't care. You will be forced to watch Jimmy Neutron Happy Family Hour over and over until you are ungrounded.
Wah.
Hello and welcome to AMC Theaters. Today we have Frozen, Rio 2 and the Lego Movie. What would you like to watch?
We would like 3 tickets to the Lego Movie.
Okay. Here you go. Enjoy the movie.
That was a great movie. Now let's eat at Red Robin.
Can we have 3 chicken wing buckets and 3 Cokes?
Okay, here you go.
Now let's watch Total Drama Pocket 2 Island.